Hi everyone, and all of the new followers that I have gained after that last video went kind of crazy, but welcome to my Rhaenyra build series. So today we are working on the embroidery detail work of the front of her gown, and I just wanted to show you guys how I've kind of broken down how I'm going to do this, because it's a lot of layers and it can be very intimidating, so take a look. Okay, so I have broke it down in Procreate layer by layer of how I'm going to do this. So the first thing is these red lines with beads. And then I will put these mother of pearl beads in, which are right here. I believe, at least that's what I think they are. And then we have the dagger beads here and some of those leaf charms that go over here. And then there is the placement of the chain, big chain boy here with the leaf charms and the wishbone chain that we've been working on. But I can't quite figure out what goes right here. It's like the silvery spots. I think it's a combination of the mother of pearl beads and something else. I need to do some more research on that, but that goes in there as well. And then the last thing that I'll be adding is this beaded trim here. So I'm kind of tired of working on the dress right now. It's at a really good stopping point, and I'm really excited to work on the embroidery and details. So let's get to stitching.